Hello, everyone. To begin with, as you know, Lenovo is, what they call an MNC, and we are distinctly different from some of the government entries that have come here. But Lenovo associated itself with this NGO called Yuva, which operates out of a small village in Jharkhand. The village is called Hutuk. It's a really small place, and the association dates back to 2 years ago, when Yuva actually mobilizes a team of young girls aged between 10 and 15, and they use sport, which is football, as a tool of social development. So this Yuva was already doing. And 2 years ago, these girls got selected in USA Cup, and Lenovo partnered them to send them there. That was the start. What we did this year is, we realized that most of these associations that global corporations have with NGOs and social causes is merely tokenistic, and ma'am spoke about it. And now more so because the government has made CSR mandatory. So what we decided is that we will not make it a tokenistic association. We decided to go the full hog. And our one-line mission was we have to make an impact in their day-to-day lives. We call this initiative Pitch to Her. I'll come to the terminology later. One of the things that these girls battle regularly is child marriage. They come from really underprivileged families, and very early they are put out of school. I mean, they don't go to school to begin with, but whichever girls study at Yuva, they are forcibly pulled out of school when they are 8 or 9, 10. The youngest one is 8-year-old, and they're married off. The ones which are not married off are either trafficked or they're sexually abused by their own families. So that's the story. The only outlet these girls have is the time they play football, and there are Yuva coaches who uses that. What we realized is that even that wasn't safe. When they came to their football fields, they realized that broken bottles were sprayed around. There were village boys who would harass them, trouble them. There are about 250 girls and only 5 coaches. So it was not possible for the coaches to, monitor everything perfectly. So what we decided is we began this initiative called Pitch to Her, which was a mix of on-ground and off-ground activity. For the first 5 days of the campaign, we ourselves conducted a camp in the village, and we empowered these girls. These are bright young girls. They are very smart, smarter than most of us. We installed computers, tablets, laptops, enabled them with smartphones, and set up the Lenovo labs in Yuva House. These are all the activities that the girls did. If you can see, they are using GoPro cameras, and they are going out to their football fields. What these GoPro cameras do is it captures a footage, and it allows you to know what is the condition of your playing field. So the next day when the girls go there, they know exactly what they are facing. The most important thing we did is we created a mobile app for them, which allows the coaches to track attendance and performance patterns. If they see anything amiss, they know that it's time to intervene. And we hope that this app will prevent a lot of child marriages in Hutuk. And we got unprecedented applause. But there's one I would like to mention. So these are all the hashtags. I'm having to rush through it. The only accolade that I want to mention is this recognition by UN Women. So our campaign reached UN Women, and they even tweeted about it, and Girls Not Brides as well. So the topic of scalability. I think the thing to look forward is to replicate this in several other villages and several other women communities around the country. I hope we can do that sometime in the future. Thanks.